Mr. said, you can't even say Kuffour one way.
And listeners,
sure.
Say, yeah. I mean, it's a long time.
Very long time.
Yeah, very, very long time.
Sure. Ghana, sure, it's true.
It's about like, I can say 10 years.
10 good years?
Yeah.
Wow.
How time flies.
A decade.
A decade, right? Yeah. So we say a decade, but like, you know.
And you tell them for a few weeks. If you do the more. 10 good years. Wow.
Maybe a few more.
Sure.
What does it? But like, you can't say before. I said before you'll be here. Maybe I'm in the Eastern region.
Okay.
Papa fi Asante region as my sister. Yeah. But I was born and bred in Accra. Until sometimes when it comes to language like tree na, what means me tree na enye papa.
Mother side in here. Kuffour.
Yeah. And my father side here.
Mamponsuta. Oh, okay. Okay. Matthias yeah, into a mixture.
Yeah.
Equiapum kakra.
Equiapum Mamponsuta.
That's not Suta Ashanti region.
Ashanti region.
Now some are missing.
Me mama fi Kuffour.
Eastern region.
Eastern.
Now Eastern where here?
Eastern like how do you say?
And you Equiapum. Eastern Equiapum.
Eastern region and Equiapum.
Oh, okay.
They are can.
I can. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. True, because it's like say a cropon, mampon. So said me okay. Oh, and that's a mampon like now. Said Papa mampon, and I'm so free, and I will call for you. Oh, good. Then I said, tree no.
Me tree all that.
Oh, okay.
And secondly, you know, I was born in Accra.
Yeah, sure.
So all my life is Accra.
Oh, okay.
When I'm living my life here.
Oh, okay. Let us say when I go school.
Baby, me go school Accra. Me started with Delay, me primary school at Delay, and in middle school, the time no, and yes, this year, we know middle school here, Maya. Okay. Bibi say Maya, Kenya Osei High School no di ma. This our community.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. From there, no, and me call like a senior high, technical. Me call technical school, and me go few.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So that's where now, and my career started in the different way altogether.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
And maybe I say, when did you realize say we are football? Can be a football.
Well, in football, I think say in my family, there's football over there.
Yeah.
My uncle is a footballer. He's a professional footballer who plays for Liberty Professionals.
Oh, okay.
Or call Egypt. And also football professional only Felix Abuaji. That time the manager here slighted him.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So my grandfather and son Oye Sports is a doctor in military.
Oh, okay.
In 37.
Oh, okay.
And you know, I said like your family, you know, we do sports.
Oh, okay.
And you know, play football too.
Oh, wow.
So that's how it is.
International say football mo feel.
All right.
Yeah, sure. Football mo feel. Na so say look one can quite Felix Abuaji mo time dey nche bia bebre sa.
Felix Abuaji no, onu so about like me uncle no ye penny. But on nyina no because of slighted entity.
Oh, okay.
You know, when you say yeah, you won't cry, and I will be a friend Osu prisons. And what I bobo. And all the best players, you know, for Sabatios, and Munirano, every Monday, they are on boy a Monday.
Oh, until those days, you know.
Let me uncle no any one blaster player or ball Azakis. Emmanuel
Is it Kwashi?
Emmanuel
Kwashi. Oh, okay.
Oh,
okay. Oh, okay. Those days, now.
Oh no, let me brand. Let me uncle.
You playmate, no?
You playmate.
Oh, okay. And you walk to Kotoko. One uncle Kotoko, and I said they
Kotoko. They want me.
So I'm gonna be picking.
Mr. JC, mommy buy.
Oh, okay.
When you may so recipe. A jet people, I say. Guy be. I have only Thomas D and I am footballer for.
Oh, okay. In terms of the picking.
I'm picking me back, Master. Like to phone my Mrs. Cinema, ever farming.
Oh, okay. Okay, yeah, Jesse.
Yeah, Jesse.
Yeah, Jesse. Yeah,
very good man.
Sure, yeah, Jesse.
So I'm sure.
But I know you.
It's 2 months.
Now the team training.
Me team you say, omo so no say the problem is say o two for say o team ni fi o say. They are fighting so yeah Jesse omo my bawo but like they are not focusing on me.
No, so hwɛ the politics in Kotoko so me team na answer
before
now so te ho
so me ti hotel
okay
and we am boa me
and now
go back to do house the choir na house for buy some and that house for buy no that's the day or two for so the team no mind the place na mami ka some back with you want to me I moved from Cape Coast to Accra. Me fear me won't go into that.
Ade.
Ebenezer is all over me.
Calling.
All over. Baby, I was
after say house for the phone.
House for is all my baker. And so who say you team my man dey. But see the house be my times 3.
Wow.
Or catch them.
But
no one signing my house. So what happened?
Mr. JC Mami 13,000. 13 million.
1,300.
30 million.
And then 1,300.
300.
But first,
but those say 30 million.
30 million.
Okay, 30 million.
Now, person make come be
maybe I can 130 million. Yeah, those days say 130 million, sure.
Person make come be into opamichio. So size kind of the man no. E ne dwuma mi siga no yi.
Yeah.
Agent.
Lotto agent.
Yeah, kesi pa.
The man you know. It's all footballers. I want to play Kotoko first before I play us. Because like I mean Kotoko ask the name Bobida. Me Shebida. But the way it comes, you know, I just want to prove it to them. I'm the best of all.
Yeah.
In Ghana. Ghana Premier League. The whole Ghana Premier League. When it comes, I'm the best. And the best player of all. Into me, yes, and the has and there is a call by year on me. And the no que scar, Mr. JC man, you know, because I love Kotoko. I don't want me dear say me as Antonia, I won't me on crime. Now, my son too say whatever I will say, like me tree any in the club. I love that thing. I love that thing. But I didn't get it right. So I just want to. So when I went to us, you know, now I want to prove to them that I'm the best of all.
Oh, I get your point. Oh, okay. So say it was your dream. Say Kababa Kotoko ma be found. But when ya.
Yes.
And a house be found.
Yeah.
It's not person who be who said you are the best.
Of course.
Oh,
I know.
Oh, okay. I love that challenge. It's a challenge in our
yeah, I know.
Okay. But what's a Wokas and what's a Herbert Cast or Bemau? 3 times
what only the team, they are chasing me everywhere around. There be number back Accra because we catch us for say may by the next following week. So when I get to Accra, they were chasing me anyway. And they said, I will give you 2 times what us is giving you. Okay. But I have decided already. Me drink on Madina. I want a mommy. Now I better suma. And the time I met to say, Omu Bano, not myself a car usu akwaje, my classmate, my best friend, like a brother to me. Not my word. Enti ubekwa ase na menia. Ubekwa ase na me wa ase. Enti I say like movement. The time I me sign wa Emma has.
Oh, okay. Okay, but I say now person Kotoko. What Krakra we nan sign in my house. And I heard person be more sika 3 times the house in my. But then I still my house.
Because I decided to say me Boma Kotoko, but like at the end of the day, I couldn't get the way I wanted.
And I has to approach you.
And I has to approach him because Nabatra told me, who is my godfather, told me, say, okay, ask for buying it. Let me go feel minimum. Papa came with minimum. But say, Michelle Dem was a PA. In Confirmation. Because you are more to so castle. Like 5 cars. Ariza call Kranika. Thomas Oka Kranika. And then Stormzy Kranika. Say, Alaji has Kranika. Say, oh, Dosu.
General, positive. On say, Nami Busau, me, or number 7 do real and same. Me per se a share recruitment then and recruitment today. Because in your case, you know, it was a tussle between Kotoko and Haas. Because Herbert about Abedi to Nanadia Mana. Or pursue ye be supporters who say he's the man. Or pursue ye be Obedi League, you know. Now Haas of folk in so young. Haas of folk who barbarian or man small will be out. And has some painful in a 2 car. I was a call baby. And there's something, baby. Thomas Oka, baby.
Who is near
Ibonte. Some painful in house.
Yeah.
Have a call. Thomas Oka and near Ibonte. Araji house and there's Thompson. Now these are the 4 big men in house of those days. And we know 2 car back for war.
Yeah.
But as I know, it's a sin. But I just a woman here when I mean, you fool.
As a player.
Oh, okay.
I'm just good.
Oh, okay.
Because my dear me person me here, and that's the time of Mazuno. You intimate family. No baby, I'm a coin.
Yeah.
But also, they me picky film. They say, Kwabena say, we a player. No painful way, you know, about just imagine, say, Obe Jabba sorry, I see Pio and go be real. Now be Pia has a folk painful in our board, me and about fees, Master Besson uncle.
But I'm only man can be here. I'm going to buy a money maker and say, Uncle,
never.
Next week, never. Because my favorite team, you know,
sure,
ain't me, anything, sustaining me.
Good.
And he hurt so much. So that's why when I was semi-boy has to Kotoko, it's my life. I just want to prove to them that media me say I'm the best.
But you are a professional.
I'm all best.
You are a professional. One man say professionalism media because when you say enya modwuma nko a it is a radio mu nyina hard so be hu obi a ebi am fa so support team bi wo ya wo hu say you could feel it say oh team no support to nti e hwa no kana asem ko but say the wo si team no na wo anya so na wo chia omo a you want everybody to know say you are the genuine woni me the oye because say the kind your matches Kotoko House of Folk matches and it's like said a war be for you. Sure.
Yeah, a boy has any Kotoko. I just want to prove something.
Sure.
I just want to show the public who I am.
Oh, okay.
I'm not a dangerous person, but I'm the worst dangerous person in football. Because I can do things that when you imagine it, you will never get it.
Oh, okay.
You will never get it.
Okay. Enti has what has? Maybe say war has Kotoko. Yeah, for kakra. What kind of number of times our boy has Kotoko?
I play all the matches. Even in Kotoko Grapo, I play against us. I play. And no Grapo me by second half. I think so.
And in all these matches, in all these house Kotoko, the Aina Obe Kaipa is like your best house Kotoko match. Your best.
Against Kotoko 4-0.
4-0.
Yeah.
House Kotoko, the best part. The Moshe Kotoko 4.
Yeah.
Okay. So we now one farm I can be sad so form not be sad because no match into say how difficult or easy was that match. No match let us say.
It wasn't me.
Someone said almighty Kotoko 4. Kotoko eso. It was the force and
what are you talking about? You are talking about isn't it the word that you use?
Almighty Kotoko.
No, it's not.
Okay.
You don't have to say that. I mean, Accra's is almighty.
I love the spirit. I love the spirit.
Is almighty.
Yes, sir.
If you are saying almighty, it's Accra's and what's it?
Asante Kotoko.
So don't just say Kotoko almighty.
Okay. Okay. To the two most glamorous clubs. It's 4 names. Saying this, but the BCBM. Tell me that say. How difficult or easy was that match? Let us say
it wasn't easy, but like Asante Kotoko, so let me say in our traditional football, when it comes to matches now, Kotoko have the best players in the country. Asante have the most best players also in the country.
Sure.
What I say? Now, it takes a long time, and it's not easy to score, but. When you get the opportunity, you need to utilize it and make it possible. What I say, and me feel say Asante Kotoko there. Time a ban say a ban say we have the opportunity. A ban say that's our law to play and to win. And I love that match so much. Because I just want to prove something to Kotoko supporters. And yes, supporters, but to Kotoko. Management, whatever, supporters, anyway.
Would you say so?
I love to prove people wrong. I love to prove to people that I'm the best.
Wow, and some matches, so they need total dominance. Total dominance from House of Folk.
Right.
Would you say na ye teamwork team na mukura no and answer individually na mukura quality
Mami that's it's about quality.
Yeah.
It's about togetherness.
Team play, no?
Teamwork is very important.
Okay.
When it comes to football. Semuni teamwork and togetherness now is very difficult because so when you chance or opportunity you want to score.
Sure.
Baby, I want to score. But you want to try and score. That's selfishness.
Yeah.
And it doesn't help the team.
Oh, okay.
So Ubo Kotoko. When we say team now Ubo, when you get the opportunity to play, you need to help the team to win. If you win the supporters. If you win everybody. Me say me person me ye na me Jimmy Dean. Udi intimi enye bibia ma Asante Kotoko.
Oh, okay.
Udi intimi enye bibia ma Asofo. It's only that what you udi ndeke. What did you achieve?
Oh, okay.
Can you tell me what?
Sure.
Oh, na me say. Double te Chastela. Bibi omo ye bia no. Omo boy team and they achieve it on their own.
Sure.
So it's very important.
Okay.
It's not about me a star, me a player, me what team I mean me a star. You are nobody. Even when it comes to national team, you are not there.
Before sir for name, not more as a team, no more for how long? No more for how long? Before sir for
before has for 6 years.
6 good years.
6 to 7 years. Me 6 years in Yano, non-stop. Me for league six times.
6 years in Yano.
Yes. And I was the best player in the league. Best player, and when it comes to award, I'm the best player in Ghana football.
And before 4, Nama bomb home for how many years?
Yeah, boy, I won for 3 years.
Before 4?
Yeah.
Because
you bought Champions League, so
okay.
You bought first one, you bought second one, you bought third one. And then I bought Champions League because me I'm going to say me
sure because pass be we the same.
Ishmael Namwa, that's how it is. You are boy and watching and your team be you feel be we have together for so many years. We went for Champions League for first time, we couldn't get it. Second time, the same thing. They do money on a year team. The third time they wear money on. That's where we want to prove to everybody say we are the best players and we are the best team in Africa. But the opportunity
in mind. Oh wow.
So that's how it.
Wow. So in that Kotoko match, say because I'm not Kotoko high team no.
David Kotoko also plays. Gordon Brody, Aziz Ansah, McFish, Emba, Oriba, yeah.
But you took it easy.
No, it's not easy. Yeah, I'm finding easy, but a match.
Oh, okay.
And we are prepared and we are ready for these people.
Oh,
because this match is very important. Edimaye supporters. But these supporters are one. But we can't say that. They support channel. All the time, everyone was passing. And then say yes, nightmare buyer. You see, and probably you know, and easy. These are people now. Whether good or bad, you took one call break. I love this.
I said the spirit of Asofoki and the supporters.
I love them.
Oh wow! More for after 4, now we feel say it's okay now because I said
after 4, we have to give it to them because say if you don't give it to them, when Kotoko come back, you will give it to us.
Oh, okay.
Everywhere in meters.
Okay. From there, Champions League. My Champions League. I mean, say the city here because you perceive the year came, you relate and then the year cost. General, I'm called Champions League because I'm making attempt first time I'm fat, second time I'm fat, the third time, and son of Mutimi are getting into your friend say money zone. Send your first time, second time, third time. The difference in the bear more to the third time.
It wasn't easy. It was stressful.
Yeah.
Coach just had to review me, so rest in peace.
Sure.
And the other ones who supported,
sure,
who are the management of Asante our team.
Sure.
And yeah, easy.
We are Asante experience.
Yeah.
So okay.
Oh yeah. when I tell that to buy back, because your body
sure.
So that's it.
Where Tunisia?
Where
Tunisia?
Where Tunisia?
Sure. Where Tunisia? Good.
Where Tunisia?
Sure.
And you know, as of all your team here, you're brave, and we sacrifice a lot. Sure. All players of Asante sacrifice. All management of Asante sacrifice with their life because their life is on stake. And like any place, our life is on stake. And then you should remember more exposure to the international world.
It's no more happening to them.
And they are training for 3 years. Look at the same place. Minimu yenina say the train because they go beach.
For 3 years.
Ye kwale ejiji ye kan kwa sama ye nkwa ye si ye ko wablo wo se pese ye nkwa e ko baby edunu ya confess on second and then you say oh enti again say let you it's not easy.
Come travel ni na
I always appreciate all my colleagues. The colleagues are my playmates. I mean, young boy, if I Champions League, if I Super Cup.
Sure.
We know I'm going to tell me everything.
Good.
Because they are still alive.
Good. Now, who call Champions League? What was the difference? Born born Ghana, other countries. What was
I can tell you, sir, as of we are hungry. Hungry
for success.
For success. Hungry to achieve. Hungry to make name.
It's not you have that at the back of your mind.
I said hungry to make your name, hungry to be successful, hungry to do everything
possible.
The best thing in life.
No more person make it name no to. And also now that for years.
But Eliali on scene, players they are not better than us because all our players play national team. Under 20, under 23, Blassa. Yes. Jacob Natalie, Amagwameku, Steven Tete, Samia J, Ishmael. I mean, a whole lot. Kenneth Sapo and the rest. Cobson, Ajaite, and Chasalote. I mean, name them.
Wow.
Name them. You answer.
Wow. These are all national team players.
Name them. I mean, these are people. Only a national team players from under 16 to the national level. It's not easy.
And tomorrow, I'm going to start that. And I'm going to push you. Sure. And in all these matches, Champions League throughout me, then I have best experience. Like, travels on here, match
against Swan.
Final win.
Yeah.
First leg no.
First leg in Tunisia.
Ghana. But no be answer omuda.
We break that record in their home. The person say we are in and we are in.
And I'm considering him say record be sad.
Oh, record down. We are in for that. Because I think I hear me dead say the place you pray, we always pray. You fasting, I'm going to
wow,
so no, pastor.
Oh, okay.
Oh no. Oh God. Yakubo Emmanuel Osei here because I love that guy. What I say? In Bible, fasting. By a training here. You see, this is the time. I will talk about anything apart from experience. Because that's my experience. That's where I've been in the international level. Yes. Though me born national team of Black Star, but I have to show. Say, me one national team, that's a big player. Though I'm a local player, I mean the national team, you were professional, but when it comes, no matter how it is, I won't say they are not better than me.
Sure.
I play with them. I started with them. And, I don't see anything, but like when it comes to us, with us, Mami Yedin, has Mami Jimmy Dean, has Mami Yeni Pakesi, and Ghana, the whole Ghana.
Eti mo win, was Paransa. I want to move some of my Champions League.
You won't say Afa, but you will say Yankupo.
Sure.
Because I did not person we catch Ghana for with our time 2000 with Esperanza, you fast.
More commercial.
You fasting every Friday. You fasting.
No,
but with Esperanza, you fasting throughout. I
only
be my secret back on. The day I say you have match, the day we have to take our breakfast. Nyama omu ye omu de brain, we don't supposed to eat.
I don't know when you say baby woman now said they no
suspect we know and yeah I feel like I took one. You have both first time. You have both first time. I have phone no you need tricks. Oh remember we Gianni fe but baby woman I be but now I have fasting. Then you say and lady nothing goes, nothing comes. Indeed, Gianni.
General.
Now you console you penny for Tomioka especially. On the I did back I am it there. I'm a 100 Gianni. Anytime going to be able to be or the Gianni if you Ghana, don't grow, make go to China, Ukola with Gianni, no person obedia, obey with Gianni. So we are, we are okay.
Now, General, Unim, the amount of people will say, "Don't wanna go now." See the mo Pedro, those days, Salomon, but be okay.
It's a fast.
It's a fast time. Most players are going to more fasting.
But you say, "Obisi, obiti no obiti aka." Is your father? Me a kasabi because me here fast me team can do me. But me bobo no. Me ma dey examines.
But camp no, you guys were fasting.
Every Friday, Friday, yeah. Friday they fast and then go league match. Yeah, fasting.
League match na mo fasting.
Because I dey that go e come.
Yes, any mo dey mutim na GB for Christo for ngwo. Because me Pedro Kotoko ko yedro. Yes, those days Alhaji has mo commonly.
I don't know. But also Newtown, that's where they from Accra support.
But I can't
okay. So I don't know if you.
It's not more. It's one more come.
Before I started league, say Obi anymore, and then make up their womb. Say I want to more be a drew, and ye drew.
Okay.
And 1 year koa eho omo a tea has a folk e ho na 18.
Oh, okay.
And a man no papa no wo no o ye Catholic ni
Sir,
o ye Catholic,
Roman Catholic.
Yeah, Roman Catholic.
If you honor,
yeah,
dear Bianis.
Oh yeah.
And the yapo some the Bianis so.
And I say be also be one agree. Sure. But it's not true. And then we say has for any omunye has for we say identity and for Newtown. E go shey e hono the entire ask for stop here omo go shey say hono and na e face o mo consequence. What does it? Because with a so damn thing no nyina no o fans anu nyina e hono mo shey this. E be do ye mmeso. Na ye mmeso no e be do ye. Man papa no oye Catholic ni se ono oye mpabo ni a obompa yi e mati na mpacho mami bi e holo se be strategic je nyina yitimu nyina place 25 nyina ni penny for management nyina e be ko bi
mo ko bompa yi
o se ko bompa yi ye bompa yi na ya ye salak ye kan se e wo I don't know.
Adoye.
Yeah, adoye. Inti hono. Yeah, adoye na ye ko ye place nya e ko. E so sa, e so bia ko. E na ye wo den bi mu a e hon e na ye bom pai.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay.
Sa da na ye bom se wu. Se me fa se yin nyina ye ba yi. Na umba ho bia, wo ye new player. Maybe ya called the answer ya betoa uba and say the year biano and so ye be and so wait me read them because won't me read them without only they say unye only
them
yes
so ancestral home no more but there's a particular room before
that's what I'm talking about.
Yeah, no dear see what for house of folk.
I know before I make remu no enter make say before I start leak you know yes I do no for fasting yes I do e be chiche
e be chiche no man
you go outside
mukoko ye wi a
yes
and san makọ akọbọ mpa
yes and san na we betini wi a
it was a difference mu ye wi na mu akasa mu ye wi na mu ba mu hu se normal san na
because anybody be na e go be
no me just say ye duro mu feel say mu free work ba mu say ma ye ni pafofra na say you are ready for bibia yeah
ukobo
so rock mountains about
no it's not about mountains it's like me ka train about like me training ye papa I say like ukoda nya me ase na
okuso afre nyame yes sir so akosere bibia afre nyame okay
and now say ukobo afori
sure okay
say wo de wo nyina
e be she
Erade inside
oh okay
for the whole season
no?
That's how it is.
Oh
It's not about it.
Eti nya bosom dan bi na mu ko wura mu. Na se for na kasa so mu de hunu ni pa.
Me a president.
Oh, okay.
Amangwa obi akwaso no obi o na to yoko. When you didn't because of what you go share the business. I will never go. Me.
You per se carry.
Me ko say me ko. Opa mention Jesse. I'm okay. Me say me ko. Because we want me nyame am so. And they say oh be different thing now they be call there. Any possible. Me was sure say a place in India say bibi sana nobody stop me.
I get you.
Bread any empire bo a Nyankopon tie na o share ni menu nyam say this is the time. Enye do. Obi o beka say omo mu ko new town ni nyina ye do enye no kre. I can bet with my life.
I get you.
Enye no kre.
I get you.
Now I say enye no kre no. Say o be be bon pai. Ewo Ghana. I didn't know ho na man fonti I say ho. Maybe I be anya me team pai.
Because me feel say a team no and what they building with a Christianity. They don't build it with maybe say a Jew and that's a or tradition something. They build it with Christianity. And so that's where the team was built. Not Mitai.
Okay. Am I a fitity?
Polo, mama polo, ufansa no, na ebaye, ablade kuma no, shamukweni mansa na ebe 2 years.
Okay. Before say now can be say mu koye bibia the entire team. Mu bompa you mu ye bibia the entire team.
Because we are in camp.
Those days, you know, not relationship between money board management, not to say na.
When it comes to ball management, we focus on football because we love football.
Okay.
We do what we have to do
as players.
They have to do what they have to do
management.
As a management. And you know, the American is out here saying,
sure.
Say, time, you know. And then more opportunity, and then more time, and then more chance, and then more we are seeing your main. It wasn't like that with us. With us, time.
More than said your name,
then because when we just say, "Crowd, your pamusu," I suppose just say, "I share your pamusu."
Kajumoro hala.
Only usu.
One near pamusu.
Yeah, your pamusu. Oh, that person. What does it?
Champions League Jesse.
You bet you up on my say and your sky let's see Jesse winner say share and never
Champions League Jesse. No more pamusu.
You need just here.
Some for share Puma, for share no.
Yes, be a
they also made na.
Yes. Ya throw I say obisi me boy uncle share who share Jesse na ya throw mingle.
Mingle, yeah.
Mingle ni adi opam no adwuma ni di ho.
No opam adi. Even opam blaster ye Jesus and I say a t-shirt ye share the Olympic Games kwa. Mingle no. Me na me say opa just.
And then say as Jesse about the Champions League brand in your friend Mingle.
But Jesse me chawadi. Sa value Jesse na ye share. But your sponsor been a sponsor. I don't know. Yes, but Monty say we just a way I say. A company then.
Okay. After no moment, also made Menga made. Okay.
Yeah, me and mommy bag, yeah mommy tracksuit, yeah mommy shirt, yeah mommy shoe. Mommy to me for league. 6 times. It's for Champions League, Super Cup. Until when you have the opportunity, a year and I'm pressing me piece. I say, in Pacho, no fan channel. So, tear for some fan channel. Obi obeti be on fan channel, but me or 740. I am framing General Ghana, Nina General. You pressing me piece has place. Omuni team omobo. And then a year
yes, sure.
Of playing as same thing person besides Asante Kotoko plays.
Sure.
If they know.
Because okay, we are siasa kakra there. But who say yeah now even supporters and Jesse way only brand need we now who baby offer Jesse free for so much interest today in Jesus into eating to the boys boys oh Jesse near Shannon Crown need Jesse Crown but mumu die menga from osu and coffee baby
say as for say almost share ambo
there be say different brand but brand
because me Jesse am why as me will be
Umbro his royal highness go masha na nu ya no masesa kofa different but no ko anya no Ghana but mo the Champions League Jesse no final match no final Esperance
no go one pe minga no go one time antro ni din na mbo Jesse no
that's what pintem
but se mo me pese mo ye bibi mami mo search bibi mami like that particular Jesse no me pese mo share this side any this side
sure
se mo hu din bi wo
e wo ha
we the assignment is here pa
but you see some work can
yeah sure
because with your time no say you okay na Jesse Kwamenga na ye we dey okunya back ya we say ya mama back ya mama trash shoot ya mama we say no many nyina mo dey mo wan hu bi o
na come but you know o kasa no o si so Emmanuel Osei Kuffour general he fa na onya general
general dey ebenze obi eni enye me na me general but it was made enough time okochi kumasa Asante Kotoko so be kan so middle of okochi has
yeah
e wo ye confederation cup yeah na but time onu coach Kotoko ye wo match as of against Kotoko e wo Accra Sports Stadium I mean I don't know ye bowie ye obi aye bibia abowie a e was an interview no say so share Ghana football players ni no mo bobo na obi ani minyansa e wo football esemi
no
okay. You know me a general
okay
because ohun say ball no e adwen enye America enye gidigidi but so you so adwen until ohun say with all these people no I have that knowledge more than everybody until our friends say he's a general football he's a general player or footballer in Ghana
because to mean them
yeah it's not as coach and as OB and a middle
okay
before ever has
oh wow
yeah ni Kotoko bo kuma say ni Kotoko bo Accra Sports ni ye share Kotoko one of course as
general mami musa life in football dwarfs House of Folk Kotoko no I mean did you make much
well life in football no I make much because I play all my life in Ghana and the little that I play was to go to the Saudi Arabia
oh okay
and then me make it
yeah
and one me make it and
Saudi
yeah and secondly me be Kotoko nso no Gaddafi ni baba ma ni team
yeah after Confederation Cup
Etihad
okay
yes and also on be farming I make a lot and I make a lot I mean playing the local team playing the national team and playing under 20 under 23 to the blaster I'm an Olympic
oh okay
what again I played 3 times in Cup of Nations
yeah
I mean and 6 times league champion Confederation
sure.
Super Cup best player in Confederation
because
I mean because
the man puts us and say unse ne normal sisa and you could too huge sums of money for players any idea and in your case in so no said you okay mo osu line it's not best
yeah, but sure. It's like I don't mean I do mean that sure. I was so happy like I've achieved all those things because when it comes to my profile I have a good profile.
Very huge.
Very, very huge profile, and in my time I can say it and boldly. And you me pay, but I don't and I don't me. I mean, I'm a greatest of all.
Yeah, sure.
In Ghana, look.
I did my quad that I saw playing this and say, especially at Kotoko. I want to know you because that I know a bed. Now, me say, Bobo, no sakache. Why? Where you see? I said, who said coach boys? No, I said, wow, colleagues are no bono. I said, who said Japan so coach? Tebe, na ba we yes family money to akwa. I said, you were playing like a who say a
player coach.
A player coach on the field of play.
Well, once a bobo nachi, you get the experience. You have learned a lot from other people, and you will call it some professional. But now you about the same national team in Yama. When you never be when we be me I played with Abel Pele.
Yeah.
In 98.
Yeah.
In Burkina Faso. I played with Tony Eboa, Odatalante, and those. What I say, and I've learned a lot from them. And you know, so me share omo a million boy like me call it now. At least I don't know. My coming, me share me be omo fie brocheba. What I say, and just my boy che never do baby now. Either like kasa, but me enya kasa. Because coach you know ojinaichi no kasa unti. But captain the ojinem na me kasa overtake.
Because your time with Kotoko now you were the most experienced player.
Yeah.
So I think say no me young.
Yeah, me Stevie Odru. Yeah. Nana India. Bekwe no mundi omo ye say afi no baba apafo no mu say no mu ni sane man.
So Cobra Yaro no mo.
Cobra Yaro no mu ni sane man. So that's it. Francis Akwafo no mu. But like me plekasa because adia me share one penny for say when you are playing together you need to talk.
Yeah.
Because every woman me ball me he so big na me.
Sure.
So one can say bima we oba enti jira so ana for mo bia. Ebi ana me jina so na ebe pia me
up the ball.
You say na kwa we dey no ye. So I say but with learning with all these superstars like Abedi Pele, Tony.
Oh, okay, Mengo nini.
Any oh, and I think
oh, okay. Mengo na
and you say me try to.
Sure. It's Mengo na sign no.
But it's a few.
But who said Mengo mom of Puma
and the life.
Mengo know about the power because who
no Pum Jessica they call Olympic Games. Oh, African Games.
Ghana Jesse.
I'm telling you.
1996.
I'm telling you.
No, Asama okay on. Asama Jesse.
So we say me boy.
Then no man saw Ghana football.
Me tracksuit of blue. I call Olympic Games.
Ghana Olympic Games. Ne also Mengo na. But no man saw Ghana football.
Because Sanya mano I share. Yes, ansana Adidas Sport omba here. Omudi Adidas trousers to play. Ye fi Ghana ye ko Atlanta no. Ye the Mengo trousers to ne ko.
Mo the Mengo na ba trousers.
Wow. 96.
Wow. No, the person
very good.
Meaning, but you see, and then I will cast us away. And then Udu Osuari Undu runabout before we do South supermarket, you know, Sergeant writer. Me Osuna a woman, minimum. I know this. But you see, maybe the other side.
Yeah, for Stabatos. For Stabatos, Felix Awadi.
Sure.
Omuni I want a woman that area.
General, may cast us away in the sense, say half of folk and Ghana, Black Stars, national teams, 8 me Tom Mengo they are. Why is it that and then we have your companies for Ghana? Now say your friend say Dreams FC, Ghana for the SIGC. But those said we look down upon them. Would you up my house and cast oh, yeah, quite that them, yeah, Ghana maybe. You're back to my man, maybe a Mengo crack so Uber take some more supporters in the Becca. The supporters of us of Ghana.
Oma we any times too kwapo. Aji na oma yi. Because of course yeah kasa Mingle.
What the Mingle about Atlanta? What not baby?
I don't know when ba so for me feed was ba so.
One answer am DJ Champions League you.
No, I mean,
say can.
oh, but it's a very nice jersey.
Me say a jersey of color of the day. You be pam wo Mingle one day. E dey abre.
Most me that could pump this.
Ewo Mingle. What?
Mingle example.
I'm telling you, a sharper.
That man is a very
Very creative, yeah.
And you see now, maybe the NSA House of Folk Kotoko. Replica Jesus Kotoko choir schema. Mayo, you young crazy abandon you.
Kotoko. Tell me, born ya Kotoko. One war, more sponsorship. A bomb Jesus, a quality.
All sports more.
Let's Kotoko.
Let me see, yes. Yeah, just a version. You never show what we will be at. Never show.
Make the version is here.
Make a show. Oh,
and that's one of the day, my cat.
Mr. Show.
Come on, Ima. Jetiani said, now, see, time I'm more hassle. Now, be a more share, more other colleagues or Kotoko. Now, more the free, that's a perception about you, but I'm no, yeah, Paman. There, Hamu. Say, I didn't idea, man, compliment to management. I didn't idea, you share mingle now, protocol, if I butcher never. Let me say no.
There, we are okay with what we have. Okay. It's not about what we are going to do. It's about what we are going to do on the field.
Oh, okay.
Sure.
So it doesn't matter. You people can wear whatever. That's not important to us. And yeah, good. Say we have to go to the field and do our job.
Okay.
Fantastic.
So we don't need that.
Let's attire no more boss.
Yeah. Yeah, say now go director touch line almost sasabol almost to my the answer is
fantastic. Now, we don't need it. Before say the national team, because who was story and so national team. From House of Folk, they're not so back at all. That's our BG League. Send in the city, was as a wabba back to baby. Initially, now, Pesa Oba into winning the league for Kotoko. After all the glories I would generate, because the House of Folk made you who you are today.
Yeah, right.
And House Nama Wyatt, yeah, sure. But Oba and not to an person boy initially, I bet Jake trophy mom, not to say.
Because it was amazing. Because I want to do this thing. Because I did that makuma swa. See my person able. But my young quenya entibiade. Ambo.
Sure.
But me call baby answer. Answer na meba. But semi G and AMD. Anya ye kwa ampuno. Me kakwa met me dia semibo.
Sure.
Say at least me G Cup. And my Kotoko FA Cup. And my Kotoko ye call Champions League.
Asa uji league ana.
Major League.
Bashir for that.
Yeah, Major League.
So only titles here say.
Bashir for the Major League, Major FA Cup, and so on. And then call Champions League. And then back Confederation. But then you have money zone.
Me just say Ghana League trophies. That's what they say.
Yeah, baby.
No, make up Kotoko has together.
There be has the MJ 7.
That's what they say.
7. MJ 6.
6. League 6.
Continuously 6.
And I bet you 1.
And I'm betting Kotoko.
Ask good 1 year.
There be ask good Magic League.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. In your career, no, what trophies do you say now you can count off? Say what?
Magic trophies baby because MJ 6 ever has Magic 1 ever Kotoko. Magic FA Cup ever Kotoko. 8, right? Champions League.
Africa one you be has.
What's it? Africa, I say me and me.
Africa one you be has.
Africa.
One you be has.
Yeah, sure. Mejibi. But like, me can't leave. I love that jersey because my favorite. Me favorite color.
Any red?
Yeah, my favorite color, and I love it because me share the way I am dead, I am fit. What does it? I am dead, I am fit. Sometimes na feel me so me but na me sha the rest of the go me che mebre
o great ticket
to me edibo and you know I am person me short
general but you see when all this picture we too so in your time supporting let us say
supporting is amazing when it comes to channel.
And it's our best supporters group your channel. Oh.
Yeah, I love them. I love them so much. I didn't see America. It's not say, baby, it doesn't matter about Accra.
Okay.
It doesn't matter Kumaso, Mampong, Asla,
yeah.
They always there.
Yes.
Ọmọ náà ọdún ọmọ bá bẹ jí mọ ayẹ bẹ bú ọmọ náà yẹ de ẹ kó firi.
Sure the type of support around them need
ọmọ di.
Yes ya na mo nyom no so ọmọ nyom no so ejinja mo pa.
Na wẹni mu sẹ nkurọfọ wẹni mu sẹ tìmí di wọkyi a wo ni hwee wọnyẹ obi a. Nti ọmọ enigye ara sẹ wọbẹtìmí awu ní ẹmọ ọmọ.
Sure.
Deɛ ebi na ɛsɛ ɔyɛ. Because o gyina paaki nti ɔn tìmí kò yẹ hwee.
Sure.
Wejuma nse wo ba be bobo na ball na wo be bo no ense wo win mo bi
and na no mo kofa nso be bia
I said I love these people these guys and support Adibagbo affected me more knowledge me
yeah
it really affected me
sure
and he hit me big
so we are witness to that
yes he hit me big time because I was right there. I called them to come and open the doors and it helped me so much.
Wow.
Yes.
It's here.
Oh yeah. Me na me call friend mama. Only a bit mesa. And the time I ever be no. They choke too much. What I say? These supporters, as of all supporters, the channel. And let me tell you, I love them. I don't know how to describe them. Any Champions League krampo masa se osu be din krofo we chi a ball over ball na ye wude e be se aduane a wudi ala se wudi tofi ye supporters o we guru ha supporters adi ba kwa se ohun se omo de omo live
okay
and then support to team no enti no se bibiki to be appear e affect them na afede I say nipa na kasa tin kasa wa boda mu en boda me because of the life na to so ama enti no na me pese me bisa ta question we na me say players omo bo omo ba ha say le omo shiji papa omo share transit papa omo share sneakers papa omo share back everything na me nye bi no didn't know me that's the question I always ask. Like I always want to ask Kotoko players too. Me who is like a joke.
Because opportunities are more
Me who say it's like a joke because if really you know what and where you are, you need to stand well.
Now, Mame Musa kakra before she be back national team. More time, no. The current management and board of House of Folk namu nimbi because Togbe dey no ben kakra na
Togbe mimi nimu me team I have to find out acts of Tommy Okan any basic
and busana about Togbe
yeah because
unimu no
also no kan but like it doesn't show off mostly only say the man say and then something Ariza ko atwa ho oh san crofon
but alaji akambi to win
one sa nkofon o mo yan
no mu has
me
sa alaji akambi o supporters chairman
me
No, one of the things were.
Me, me, as a very sorry to use that word, but as a very educated person, meaning say all the time, piano, or the house in court.
The winning fa or
the house in court. Time I ever bought by Champions League, or the house in court because I don't know why. And now, or no one reason, or they has called because of us say I was a call no discanning.
The amount of winning or the team.
I don't know the team,
okay, not a winning no. But the amount of team is now what is what they have.
Oh, they be all the house in court.
Momo time on our Champions League.
Oh, the court. I know. That's what I know. Then I like to go to the Kibesa commander over team. And I like to go to the and I was shocked. Say, hey, Bia, Fence, I didn't know what to be present. Shares, no, no, the shares in the dorsal. Apart from Togbeno, on the IS, and I say, Uluma na, or so Casabe na. Oh, Casa, I don't know.
What do you know?
Boss, minimum bat.
Doctor, you want to talk to this one?
Minimum bat, and then we are in modern system. Yeah. What I say? The Omoyen. Me, I don't see anything.
Do you feel bad?
I feel very bad. So, don't tell me do I feel bad. I feel bad because of shares. You have people, and we have people who can manage football. What are you talking about? Is it football? We are talking about football. We have people who can manage football, who knows about football. And you will be able to say, oh, what idea? Not because what shares in team.
Football is for football people. That is how you see it. Now, since no man sort of infrastructure near be able to have plenty, sir.
But you, me, person more example, person business. We share your time. Now you go art center. Grass, you grass that. If you go grass, so we say you remove. But you, and then Shetogwe. Shadia, why you now officer say time when I see stadium mama, yes, a training pitch.
That's a World Cup championship. Cambodia.
Bruh, yeah. Because I never do what will be something now. And my peer could never be sure. I'll be so much hyper. Because I don't know what these people are doing. Team Aubo, I will be just so hyper.
Because are you sure? In football line,
in Baba Center on what order?
Oh yeah.
Baby, excuse me to use that word for all listeners. In change our papa, only go, only go. Abubo, no one better touch that. But they still come. They are there because of the team. That's the dark heart. Hey. Na Togbe share the way, share idea way. And you know, we need somebody to help this man.
Okay, my man say, oh, yes, only infrastructure now put up like you need football people to manage.
It's not about managers. You need to help this man because Osei Sika. Share the way. We say as of Ogro, Ongo Lego Biomo. Obie stadium na as of Ogro, Ongo stadium. One got of former stadium. As me because of first person here can let you what na we top players top team on see stadium there they be on the national team stadium there and let talk we one day we see a training pitch a sit complete stadium
you say financial secretary to be our sitting as secretary
and the office and bacho say ne o dey compare ne any opportunities o monya any time officer nangamenyesho say obi kwa be biteme because every crime ka me be training kwa what me jam
sure
what me
when let's no mo check
yeah time kwa no na golf 2 this is that time say
now boy has no issue cabin
me issue golf 2
oh
let me say the who place say any Olympic place omo golf wala
omo bi kwa da office go na goto
enye has le to man you but team am born e ho fa so a menya mi sika menya ena me dia to car me pe enti say has be mama car and I say yes sponsorship o my car wa bisa o say ye time na ka na mo nya na opportunity say atare de obehye ukwa bontin de olibe akodi de olibe training na we ye go na ekosi ama na ye
no so time me go no ba ko no
ye ma me e ba no kwa ye training ye ko ye ma me osi atare mai o bi sa so ma so say ko me bia masa me I love house, I love Kotoko, but I want the players to know that baby omo wono
omo huti mo bo
no me yesterday. So I'm not ready that they should go.
But I said, okay, no, I think it's all about purpose. Nipa no ne botai ni motive ni say when me all ye because I know na man me ya to wa ye interview. Ko we make name aside say we make name ma problem. Why kasa wo so no? Ama why you famous? I think say ebia no mu nim ebia no mu no mu nya aware of those things.
That's how I see.
Ebia no mu nim baby o mu target. Baby o so mu do in life.
I know I mean because me, though I make a name, best of all, but I don't know minimum agree. But me Sarah say, omo agree. And I say, omo agree problem.
That's all for.
Is that how to say?
Omo so.
Debbie ma omo agree problem say.
Sure.
Baby I mean woni.
But yes, I say me make you
a good tree one.
Yeah, no. I say na ba no so. Yes, omo say 5 matches 5 points.
Yeah, me kana why you always me because I know you.
Yeah.
Who follow league me say 5 matches 5 points. That's all.
Not
that much. Not that much. But my mama was a question me. Who free has no ba as good as Asante Kotoko. Okay.
Me free has na me wo run. Na me wo run, na me boss.
Okay.
And me free na akame months. Me contract be e was. And you know from me contract in we and then I just came in for go first.
Okay, that's good. Let's but I come in national team. Na I need come so kaka. But on national team person busa we answer and na clarify. Because man for the be akwa echinie man for so Emmanuel Osei Kuffour, Samuel Osei Kuffour. Are you guys related? Family, bad lines?
Hey, Emmanuel Osei Kuffour and Samuel Osei Kuffour. I think it's a big family. Say we are not related, but Kuffour family is a big family.
Sure.
What I say? Kuffour family no, carry. I think Asante carry.
Okay.
What I say?
That's where
yeah, that's where you're gonna see Kuffour family.
No, we are related to that family.
Yeah.
Like Kuffour as in president.
Yeah.
Oh, na say January. Me actually me free.
And let's say no, until I say me here woman creating the lifestyle. I don't know much about when you come to the Ashanti region.
Yeah.
What I say and hono ayana and go forward that to say now we okay. We are back. What did they gonna say?
But God, the Kuffour family is big.
Because me, yeah.
Coach Duncan we are related to.
And I met me example say, okay, say national team na ye call as it Mali. Me time me ye captain. Only say ye call president ho and enye ye call and that's Olympic Games. And I stadium maybe a presidential one. What you say? Who say ye try picture bi?
Yeah.
Na ye me answer. The three Kuffours only. Let me be catching a friend. President friend say, Bejina, last time Jina, let me use Jina now Jina Fifi, and they try inside picture.
Oh, okay.
So that's it. But don't say me, I'm not used to Sandy and cry life and that's
so life meaning
yeah.
Okay.
And you know, never go. I mean, so a ball in football so once a back Kumasi na me bobola, they had. As on the first special they hate because almost just said Why I say ultimate court in Cranford? So, the old baby, what did they make a show? It's a whole
because that no issue. Party BRC. So, grab a catch or say, one more swash town.
Who from a because I didn't also about football, but because the AC ain't, you know, now me person me prove
sure.
Ghana for any supporters more has any
Kotoko. Sure.
Say, I don't know how to say.
Sure, but you see, who said January you can't ask someone maybe why wouldn't yourself for kind a belly dimitu was he was for two Ghana making make an interview be with Dan Kwaku and he said board was wouldn't board pop up because will be a boom arguing pa no he was talking too much about you said. In fact,
and nothing a German coach, you know.
Sure.
Or no, or this
General, I'm very dog no. And to some camper, who call Black Stars camper, not to say. Was there anything like we are professional? Not was this so many difference?
Yaku camper, though professionals is bad, but they know. Say our local players, you know, very good, very good, and you know it's not easy for them. Say. They take opportunity like easy.
Some are professional.
No.
Oh, okay.
No. And no, because everybody is good. It doesn't matter where you are playing. Or outside.
We'll be able to fight for position.
Everybody is good. Local players is very good and more than you. Sure. It's just you have the opportunity. And that's when your chance I will go professional.
But when it comes to the thought,
I mean, me. Se meka Augusta Ifu ena itama e wo metios na ye bo na e se de ko odin won o ka che sam se sami min o so so e fanti o se ami min tase de Kuffour de ball or boy de ami min tase de o ti na me ka che se Masa, Nyankopon. O mre bia. But me feel say Nyankopon, or say me, I say, and I am it. Don't forget about who the way we preach. But say about me a local player. Apart from Blast Ayeboa, 10 local professionals. It's only me as a local player. I start. Let me go 2. I was Matthias. They go 2. I was Blaster. And you know, I had shop say, I don't know to me your chance I will call a brooch. But me who say Nyankopon be only yeah.
Sure.
And yet brooch na me kwanza megidi. And yet brooch answer me kwanza me skinny.
Sure. My main story was Mali because that was your biggest way. But who captain team no? Who captain Black Stars? Mali. Yet it was a Mali asem na kweye story kesi bi Ghana. There be a kind of different version of way. You were the captain. One and I we are signing a team name. What really transpired? It didn't see Mali.
Mali no makaka. But it's okay. It's a past thing. Mali, before I ever come Mali, we were there, we come. It's time for us to go to Mali to go and play our Cup of Nations. No sponsorship. The only sponsor that we have is Adidas.
2002.
Adidas. And Adidas is going to bring our stuff, you know, like our kids for everything. And Samuel said before, also is a Bayern Munich player who is sponsored by Adidas. So, or things say, oh, why not say, met me name sponsorship? Sure. As I say, now call ACM national team.
What kind of way?
Yeah, where you in Liberia? A couple of nations, Ghana, Nigeria.
Okay.
Yeah. Where a mingle just in
where a mingle?
Yes.
But we don't find it on move. The logo.
There's a mingle, no. Why a tough?
no pom Ghana Jesus copy.
Mingle na shame.
Me see mingle na shame.
And that's a mingle the Marco Cup of Nations baby.
Oh, ade. Me see we mingle Jesus. No pom Ghana blaster, ye blaster.
Then I think some mingle should be honored. I was a Ghana bombing.
That man wa pom Ghana Jesus.
Yes, because
almost all African games. Football go. Taekwondo,
sure.
Table tennis.
All disciplines.
Me see ma obi envy taekwondo, tennis. Me see all for the tracksuit blue. Tracksuit me a blue, yellow, any red. Ni nyina mingle boy. Mo hwe ma me. I was so mind bombing about sure because a cast statement or more that man
and the Malina moving from Mango to Adidas.
Yes.
Now again you could see
I was a contract I don't know. Mean to me specify say balai. I don't know. And the Sami Bemo catch on say oh no. It was sponsored by Adidas too. And then better say or per se some pa. Samisi some pa. Na only sponsorship na own sponsor. We went to Mali when our jerseys that we have to use it to play the competition. It's not in. Just the buy no. Na JS no. Only one extra large. I'll be a mission. Just an engineer is small. And assisting 4 point mission.
You are more the brand that's for the brand.
Yellow and black. Maybe I don't know me car and I'm soon to I'm from Brass Aglim. So over go back. The sports here present. Oh, Cobra Bois. On no interview me, ye female by me. Go can say, I a sneak, yes, a sleepless ninja man. And it is since then, our friend blasted you in the castle.
You're better than one thing.
Yes. Why is a blast captain? And our but no clear that one.
No clear back up. And no, me a pamoko for free camp.
Kuva obi ampanu efika
onu ane ko
obi abeka say sa same way Mali Jabe ko try even say me then me nukre me see
but me tini tell bi ase no ka so mo friend say
what friend
say Kuffour na Kuffour
Mali Jabe no ka say onu no friend yiti mensa yiti mensa say ye pam say ye ko club ya pamu samozefu. I always say this. Yampamu.
Neden Africa.
You will come. You need South Africa for a share band. Na band has a village there. You see say and I coin them and South Africa for. You know na ye ko breakfast kwampo. Who say also will lack us in short see. South Africa show them almost share yellow and green with Adidas obia. Yeah, Adidas na e ko sign no. Yehu Adidas na ntimi ambo. Enti se obo ma mi ligba ba mi ligje Sami Kuffour she ba mi ligje.
Oh, so that was the situation.
Oh, who dey tie? Na who so dey say wo bo Italy. And I wo maybe who so she wo dey.
Who lo to ana wa she.
Who lo. Me so dey. O say for me bo local across of.
Ti Mengo na ba she.
Me she Mengo. Ah. Me she me angasa me bibia me she.
What are the bia obetuma che.
Se me she V-neck is white shirt crap se me she akọ. Obi beti atọbu. Ya famba. Nti ye wo sa ena time so se be bottom tournament. Ena ye che sin buy. Ye sin buy no. Once obi a 3, white 3, yellow 3. The di buy nya ye small. Yellow no ba ko pe na ye kese wo. White no ba ko pe na ye kese wo. Nti di aka ni na no ye ntete wo. Say under 16 for this. Ye ntimi hye. Nti o hye na o ku ko bobo wi a se obesi.
So that was the situation.
Yeah. Enya ye ko ye meeting. Didn't na ye meeting ye ko do Mali and the opening match boy and board the next match almost boy and I see him so show Mali say we are boy you know if in crime Great Accra if you are bossa now show Mali say we are boy na ya ma yesa fugu ye di fugu efitamale abre yen say ye fentu kwan na ye di abanso na ye se en fan ko tra stadium na
ko fugu na mo de ko hwe boma
na obi sam say ha na o trust it when this is for no my black t-shirt ye di blaster esi eni apart from that ye fugu any African wear and ye see ye African wear na go tra stadium and as am say Debbie, Sana, every place in tension.
Abamuso.
Eti muna muye technical.
Mumu shefuguno.
Debbie, mumu koshe. Na mumu maye.
The suggestion from Kuffour. Say to mumu nkore. Na mumu
relaxing. And is it something want to pollute
more
players? Now, you start to say, Bono, yeah, voila. And the second, place in a new place. I said, John Penton. And so, I said, like, Bibi, I have set it, brother. I didn't go for another goom. That's a Bibi, make me have a so, I John Penton go here and tell you, or say, Mimi, or Bob last time, me, ukoswa ye move
more like intimidation be
me sani pan sana say no ano den but masa ye o blast months na ubo ye na be pele boy to no bo ano na eswa until we know what is going on enye wo a ye enye denesi sami o ye and some friends are no a meeting we no and obi fi mu go kan asem we and later no na o sami wo the next day na obi omo friends omra ko yo fi no friend o friend o call ya ni passport na down and o say na there na we you passport there obi antimi ka because they are afraid of him. He's a superstar. Sure. He's a rare superstar from Bayern. He's not a cheap player. He's not an easy player. Say, I say, I mo yimi pass, I mo say me go fi ana. Enti Malik wo kwa Malik o drive say, me na minister kasa e o ma me order na me yi some oboa. Malik oboa. Won't me promise Sami because Sami is our superstar. Mike Essien is there. Our superstar too. What are you talking about? Sami Kuffour is not a small player. I'm telling you.
And they don't know why.
I don't say. I don't say. Oh, you say. Then you know, or yeah, or Miss Koto players in your mind, you know. I don't say some just give me your passport. And you get it. He get his passport. The next day I'll call. More obedient to me see me bumi or say me see obedient to me permit me in camp in man. Nobody. Our superstar. Our everything. And Malik Jabel, our Kasaya or can say, I mean, me Kasa, we say we are jealous, and I say, me and you be jealous, Obiantu to me training. And no, me mess audience will be out. I do me okay.
Sure.
You see me here?
Sure.
Anna,
you're okay.
Okay.
Sure.
And yeah, I won't tell Mukasa, Ghana, no, Masa. Mimi ya Obia, me person Obia hype you because I have what I want.
Sure.
I get it.
And the next is make me to the okay and say, Kuffour na optics say.
Why ready say
yes, because
before the catcher players say my enco stadium because you catch them say yenko and obi be catch them
and to be like catch them say
by you na hear me to say na you way and you decide oh when nipa so person ekwa obi ama ni so
And this message in the class will be the best. I think I want to say message. Say be a multi-minko.
But me for me, Sami, Kwaomechi. And no nobody pass with my nonsense. And no or buy a worker chain say, Tale, me a rich and me queen. Sometimes, not only Yana, so no more. Or taxi did that. Social media. I go do Germany. And the Bible before to say, Sami before every camp war, or my lady camp war. The next day, no place. Mali.
Ever fun.
Straight to Germany. More champion, more finance. Champions League. And I coach you, call him finance. Because you go, say, I did change, I go, shake up a player. Oh boy, of our best player.
Wow.
Yeah. Jeremy Shannon. Who was Shannon?
It was the kind of politics and a woman who players.
What's it? There, me no. I me people I me fancy because me make out to me me na won be
sure.
Who time a twem me time a twem. It's the same thing. But me credit e ba ko pese. Who are you? Who you why I over to say apam some where? Who why any why any our life, our superstar, our everything. That's how can. It's the same like Stevie Apia.
Sure.
It's the same like Samoa Jan. It's the same as the day are you. It's the same as everybody.
As at that time, he was the top most. Even in Africa, he was. As at that time, he was the top most player.
That's not okay.
Sure.
How dare you? Who are why? Who are minister? Who are why? Who you be who? It's the same as Samoa Jan, Stevie Apia. The day are you right now? Because someone will be a man.
Sure.
When it's time for you to live, you live. Live with legacy. That's it. Don't follow people. Don't follow somebody to talk. Oh, and I say, and I move pen and say, what's that? Boy, but you know, and the entire yentina yet says na why because in saying now we you says Sylvia Pia yen dey say ya na Sami apa Sylvia Pia na Asamoah and so apa Sylvia Pia na say area. That's how it is. And no a life. What does it?
Well, General Kasapa.
Yes, a normal course.
Within the Black Star women, I think it's
a sure say no affecting my performance.
And any personal life. And a football too, but I don't know.
You're going to be a more camp for the BBC.
Oh, a higher, but like, what will you do? The national flag is in front of you, and you need to do whatever you have to do, and you need to serve your nation. Yeah. Whether Sami left or not,
sure.
We have to serve our nation. Yeah. It's one of the. I feel like you fight. Yes. So that's how it is.
I get you, but Mami Musawi say oh share more time the kind of achievement for your league because I mean kase house because the Ghana didn't do it now oh share this time so what is currently going on now? Yeah, sometimes how do you feel? I know who say. Who say your mom football no a problem. A players no ball no problem. And I said, where is it coming from?
I think I'm so disappointed when it comes to our league. Because your time like this. Though you try and come in there, but the league is, straight. I mean, everything is good. And I don't know what happened. And I mean, Ninja Abanisa. Because when we are talking about our league, it's very poor. Very, very poor. And I don't know if they can allow our examples like when you go to the Germany, to say superstar, famous like Matthias and that stuff.
Sure.
They are in the football FA and that stuff. They should give our more bubble like Tony Bafo, Apedi Pele, Tony Yeboah, any more Asante Kotoko no money, Stevie Apia no more, any Yama Samojan, or more Movie, be piano for Mukamo, because some when Mukamwa, and you say Obabedi president, but Omukamwa, Ometimia Koye, sir, our life way are from course. That's why they pick Asamoah. That's why they pick Stevie Apia. This cause are happy. And then maybe James will say, you are listening to her. You didn't assist and I told the grandpa, say, you 20 young. We need these people. Me per se, Effie, Craig, okay, good. Me per se, on fast Steven. Tony Bafo, Tony Yeboah Pele, on promo no phone calm. Everyone, na yet me near course, yet ye course. No, yeah, she say, I couldn't cry. She said, Kwalai, yet me warm talent. So, move push you, so yeah, please, we need this. And you know, me panacho say, massive, say, our meeting be on for Sanko for with me. On for me, shame. On for Tony Bafo, on for Tony Yeboah.
Because they are still around. Sure.
They know football. Stevie Apia, Asamoah special. On for me, shame. Oh, no for me, come. Share. In fact, we a leader. Oh, to me, young. But so much support from this. Footballers are only famous. They will help us because and assisting
sure.
And
because they also look up to them. And they are still around. Most of the women okay in answer Ghana.
This is a Ghana footballer. Didn't say we be time. Hey, me, it pains me so much. But me cake sauce and me panicho. Baby, oh, be an on me. Say me panicho. So, oh, meeting be on fat Tony Bafo, Tony Yeboah Apedi Pele, and Stevie Apia, Asamoah. Sanko for 5 way. Any Asante Kotoko. What I say, Nipa 6 way. I'm for Muntrasi. Now, only Munkasa, no share the way they would plan. Me say, ye course be man. Ghana and then Ghana, Ghana, you say Ghana Blaster. Your boy did Ghana go for. Hey, some of you will go over the. Oh, the ball have been there, the warm and then your ball have been now.
Sammy, sorry, ma. Yeah, but the tennis say, Yana, yeah, say, Ayaba Betrusi, but when you say, oh, it's not lost. Say, yeah, you might say the future audio man say, your first year we far, name involve all hands on deck. Let me play football now, if it me as a burning beam. But then you know, you're penny for interest.
Sure,
you guys,
you made a fantastic suggestion. Say, if Apedi Pele is around, Tony Yeboah is around, Stephen Apia is around, Tony Bafo is around, Asamoah, how do you feel, say, the FA president, executives, they should call them? Until you guys come together. Yeah, sure. Yeah, I do understand. Me too. Because it hurts. Said you're okay. One make you name our league. And we will league out, they make you name league at Magic Champions League. What 3 Magic Champions League. Now level now I be do say one. Let us say it hurts. Said the American.
Like a Mamboko Sanka, like a one baby.
Yeah, because from Agbosu Republicans. Yes. Republicans can't at 20.
Yeah.
Sure. Good. General, I think that 1 million who know baby. In fact, what being many right from mo fear ho. Your friends have to fear ho. Yeah, what review no maybe ama. Kan me say papa na o we Catholic ni. Let me say serious. I mean, we days in football, sure. To be honest with you, but ye be kura no. Remember why you are deal with your mommy and son. You can't be to be about elections because we are icon. all time best 11. Kotoko has all time. Men can opokunti opoku afie, but all time. Oh boy, all time best 11.
So like ended say like me has 11 ebesi.
So
yes.
Oh, tell me what your all time best 11.
Yes, that's
Until all time best
11 house of
Bobo didn't know me what that.
Oh, Sesame Aji. Amankwame. Jacob Nati. Ajimandia. And Dankui. Nami was Steven Tete. Nami was Ajaite. Nami was Kenesapo. Nami was Kenesapo. Nami was Shimado.
Sure.
Nami was a friend. Maybe count into me. 7 million count. And me was Shimado. Let me walk friends Taylor. Let me walk Doboti,
yeah. Do all time best 11, no. But it didn't know about Bono.
Oh yeah. I mean Doboti.
Sure.
Just Taylor, Ishima.
I know Mr. Moses this house squad baby.
I think say a bit war, but until America say. Players now Omobo has no Omobo Kotoko. Do they know
the kind of club Omobo
that they are playing? Me, I have one question. I wish say Kotoko players has players
like I will be so something. So do they really
know? Yeah, and somebody have to answer me.
How big Kotoko has on
that's my problem. That's my problem. Because and I'm sound for we me musuno and I'm a football.
Sure. It is only opportunity for anaka who mudia. Where the Kotoko Baba on the Kwabena Bana Kotoko next weekend. Washington DC. James Yamra this year in Eko. Saturday say yana. Next week Saturday. And any week. Wow. Tell me about this year in Eko na ka anu mu kodi nkomo. Legend about legend ye we cry no yeah but waba I Ghana 7th of December this year the name the catch Ghana for
and they make me catch them say omunya buche obia ni die ope
sure
you can't force anyone to vote for anybody Miss Strong say when say you kromu die
sure
ye did sanso ye pentokwa ye pen bibia eba kosia
sure
eba koye wo asem ni niama because ye nkrofo hu yan papa ebi enne na hu o kira wo hu bi ma
sure
was in us
no correct it's true
ye penisa ye so say obi am focus obia adwen bi e da wotu bi a opese oye pia a opese vote man bia
the opposite vote man
menko
sure
but so bi kan gwa sem kire kwapo a but o menti kona koye de opese oye na ko ofi isa se bunsa mo we openiema ya o di funny pass ti messe obi anya boche se na we didi we atem e normal e ya de edwa ho didada but obi am focus say die opese o vote man bia ko vote menko obi ko twisikan and the world because hu yan because enye yen ko ana e wo Ghana no wo kan obi na ma Ghana ye Ghana
sure it's true
o ta say mayen kokko na yen ko to aba nyame ya aduma die nyame be ka say ana say inkofo ya say eno no mo pen na iya
so
na hwe se na brabo nso eno so din
be ba ko
eso mo ntokwa ne de omu jai e pa mo cho
sure
omu nya butre on say ya but esa say we wo part with energy we neighbor but omu nya butre
peace no sure because be ye fese obekọ Ghana no akoto unia ana unia be free Ghana obehu no dan say obete say bibi asi oye ni bi asi ama because I'm so back on to my dear kan go for the respect Ghana park say no say krom ho de sa no ma no General, you better